All right, I'm here with Nolan from Code and Coffee, and now what is it, Glass?
Yeah, I'm working for Glass Entertainment, building podcast production software as well. Startup founder,
Awesome.
always building.
So man, what do you do and who do you do it for?
I do a lot of things. So I run Code and Coffee in Philly with our team of organizers. We host coding meetups, hackathons, all different types of tech events. We're just kind of a bunch of founders that get together and build together. Because back in the day, during COVID times, I was building my basement, didn't know any founders, and we kind of put this together just to be able to be around like-minded people and build with them.
Cool, man. So what is Code and Coffee doing next? I mean, I know this is where I met you for the first time, and I love what you guys have going on over there. I know you have something tomorrow at Pennovation, but by the time people see this video, that event will have came and went. So what do you guys have coming up on the horizon? Why should people hit up Code and Coffee?
Yeah, so coming into the new year, we got something big coming in the works. We have a pitch event at Pennovation on January 16th from 3 to 5 p.m. It's going to be awesome. We're going to have a group of local founders pitching their startups in front of our group of judges, and they're going to be getting feedback in real time. Also, it's a competition, so there'll be winners. The audience will be just one of the deciding factors if there's a tie. So we have a panel of 5 judges, plus the audience serves as like the 6th judge as the tiebreaker. So it should be a lot of fun. I'm excited. We have some partners like Google Cloud, Ionos, Pennovation, Benjamin Franklin partners. So
awesome.
Really excited for it.
Really cool, man. So now tell the people, what makes Code and Coffee different than the average hackathon?
Yeah, so the one thing that's a little bit unique about Code and Coffee, there's not too many of these groups that are focused on building. Our bread and butter is just building. We love to build. We're software engineers, machine learning engineers, data analysis. Like, we come together and all build just to be around like-minded people. That's what makes us a little bit different. Is we're the type of group where you come with your laptop and you code next to somebody and make some progress on your project. You talk to the person next to you, it helps you debug something you got going on, gives you feedback in real time. So it's kind of like you're getting, it's kind of like that saying, iron sharpens iron. You're never the smartest person in the room because there's always somebody else with like a background that maybe you don't have experience with. Maybe you're a software engineer, but you're not familiar with machine learning. You could go talk with this machine learning engineer and he could give you feedback on your project or give you some direction on what you want to do.
Cool, man. All right, last question. What is the biggest misconception about startups today?
Ooh, biggest misconception. So that's a tough question to answer because there's definitely a lot. For first-time founders, biggest misconception is that they'll just build something and the customers will be there to will be interested in it. Like, they build a solution in search of a problem. I think that's one of the biggest misconceptions for first-time founders is they don't do enough validation of the market before building. In reality, you need to be spending a lot of time talking with users. Like, in my work at Glass Entertainment, we ship new features every week, but we're shipping features directly in line with the feedback that we're getting from our users. So we're user driven, and you kind of have to start with the customer and work your way backwards, rather than the approach that I see other first-time founders and people that might not have as much experience is they build a product and then they try to go find the customer. They try to go find, like we were talking about earlier, Liam, like they try to figure out their ICP on the fly after they already have a product. So that's probably the biggest misconception I see.
Cool, man. All right, Nolan, where can the people find you? How can they tap in? How can they get connected with you and what you're building?
You can find me on LinkedIn, Nolan McCatchy. Find me on Instagram, my same name on all platforms. Yeah, so find me, hit me up on social media. I'll send me a message or something like that. Be happy to chat.
Cool, man.